Hello, my name is Joshua Mgavi. I welcome you to Biogeochemical Cycles. What are biogeochemical cycles? Biogeochemical cycles are representation of the circulation and recycling of matter in nature. The main biogeochemical cycles studied in ecology are the water cycle, the carbon cycle, and the nitrogen cycle. What is the respective importance of water, carbon, and nitrogen for living beings? Water is the main solvent of living beings, and it is necessary practically for all biochemical reactions, including as reagent of photosynthesis. Many properties of water are very important to life. Carbon dioxide is the main chemical element of organic molecules. Carbon dioxide is also reagent of photosynthesis and product of the energetic metabolism of living beings. Nitrogen is a fundamental chemical element of amino acids. It is the building block of proteins that in their turn are the main functional units of living beings. Nitrogen is also part of nucleic acid molecules, the basis of reproduction, heredity, and protein synthesis. What is the water cycle? The water cycle represents the circulation and recycling of water in nature. Liquid water on the planet's surface is heated by the sun and it turns into water vapor that gains the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, large volumes of water vapor form clouds that when cooled precipitate liquid water as rain. Therefore, water comes back to the planet's surface and the cycle is completed. As possible steps of the cycle, water may still be stored in subterranean reserves and in form of ice in mountains and oceans. It may also be used in metabolism of living beings, incorporated into the body of individuals, or excreted through urine, feces, and transpiration. Why is the sun the motor of the water cycle? The sun can be considered the motor of the water cycle because upon its energy, the transformation of liquid water into water vapor depends. So the sun is the energy source that causes the water to circulate in nature. What is the carbon cycle? The carbon cycle represents the circulation and recycling of element carbon in nature as a result of the action of living beings. Photosynthesis being absorb carbon dioxide as carbon dioxide available in the atmosphere, and carbon atoms become part of the glucose molecules. During the cellular respiration of these beings, part of the organic material is consumed to generate ATP, and in this process, carbon dioxide is returned to the atmosphere. The other part is incorporated by photosynthetic organisms into the molecules that compose their structure. Carbon atom incorporated into the producers are transferred to the next trophic level. Again, part is liberated by the cellular respiration and the consumers. Part become constituent of the consumer body, and part is excreted as uric acid or urea. Excretes later recycled by decomposer bacteria. Therefore, carbon absorbed by the producer in photosynthesis returns to the atmosphere through cellular respiration along the food chain until the decomposers that also liberate the carbon dioxide in their energetic metabolism. Under special conditions, in the process that takes millions of years, carbon is incorporated into organisms may also constitute fossil fuels stored in depots under the surface of the planet. The fossil fuel burned the carbon atom returns to the atmosphere as carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. The burning of vegetable fuels like wood also returns carbon to the atmosphere. What is the main biological process that consumes carbon dioxide? The main biological process that consumes carbon dioxide is photosynthesis. How is carbon dioxide made by producers and consumers? Carbon dioxide is made by producers and consumers through cellular respiration. What are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels like oil, gas, and coal form when organic material are preserved from the complete action of decomposers and generally buried deep and under pressure over millions of years. Under such conditions, the organic material transforms into hydrocarbon fuels. Fossil fuel are natural reservoir of carbon. When oxygen is present, the fuel can be burned and carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are released in the atmosphere. What is the most abundant form under which nitrogen is found in nature? The most abundant nitrogen-containing molecule found in nature is molecular nitrogen. And the air is 80% constituted of molecular nitrogen. Under which form is nitrogen fixed by living beings? Most living beings cannot use molecular nitrogen to obtain nitrogen atoms. Producers fix nitrogen mainly from nitrates. Some plants also fix nitrogen from ammonia. Consumers and decomposers acquire nitrogen through digestion of mainly proteins and nucleic acid from the body of other living beings. What is the nitrogen cycle? The nitrogen cycle represents the circulation and recycling of the chemical element nitrogen in nature. Nitrogen cycle basically depends on the action of some specialized bacteria. Bacteria in the soil called nitrogen-fixing bacteria present in the plant roots absorb molecular nitrogen from the air and liberate the nitrogen in form of ammonia. The deposition of the organic material also produces ammonia. In the soil and roots, mainly leguminous plants, first group of chemosynthetic bacteria called nitrifying bacteria, the nitrosomonas, produce energy, consuming ammonia and releasing nitrates. The second group of nitrifying bacteria, the nitrobacteria, uses the nitrite in the chemosynthesis, releasing nitrates. In the form of nitrate, nitrogen is incorporated by the plants to be used as a constituent of proteins and nucleic acid, and the element then follows along the food chain. Nitrogen returns to the atmosphere by the action of denitrifying bacteria. that uses nitrogen-containing compound from the soil and release nitrogen gas, molecular nitrogen. Why is leguminous crop rotation used in agriculture? Leguminous crop rotation and other crop rotation are used in agriculture because these plants many bacteria important in the nitrogen cycle live. Leguminous crop rotation helps the soil to become rich in nitrates that are then absorbed by the plants. Green manure, the covering of the soil with grass and leguminous plants, is also a way to improve the fixation of nitrogen, and it is option of avoiding chemical fertilizers. Hello, thank you very much for participating in Biogeochemical Cycles. Please do like, share, and subscribe.